personal foul on West Leland. We're dying. Raymond Ramos. Oh, this time, saksiyan muli natin ang Pablos Brothers inside. Ryan and Raymond, together with Yamano Austria. At OBF, kontra kay Rivera. Gabon, Lanzador, Hernandez. Ang ayon na siya po si Alden Ron.
Whatever direction the crowd is going, go the opposite direction. Do you think most people are happy with their life? Do you think most people have reached their highest potential? More importantly, do you want to be like most people? Have a look around. Think about the people you know. Are they happy? Are they fulfilled? Do you want the results they have? Or do you want more? Do you want to be different? It's all about mentality. I can't live with the mentality of the majority. If I want to be like the minority, my mindset, my mentality must be as strong as the minority.